Here's how to create a 3D model from a text prompt using Tripo AI in just 2 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to turn your idea into a usable 3D model that you can preview, refine, and export in just a few steps. First, sign into your Tripo AI account and open the Text to 3D generator. You'll see a prompt box along with the available generation options. Once you're there, type a clear and detailed description of the object you want to create. For example, instead of entering motorcycle, write something like a futuristic white motorcycle with blue neon accents. The more specific your prompt is, the more accurate your final model will usually be. Next, click Generate. Your screen will first show a reference image based on your prompt before Tripo automatically converts it into a 3D model. Then wait for the generation process to finish. You'll see a progress indicator followed by an interactive 3D viewer where you can rotate, zoom, and inspect every angle of your new model. Generation usually takes several seconds, but can take up to a couple of minutes depending on server activity. After that, review your model carefully. If your version includes additional tools, try features such as texture, rig, animate, or split parts to improve or prepare the model for your project. Now, when you're satisfied, click Download or Export. You'll see export options such as GLB, FBX, OBJ, or STL, depending on your account features and the workflow you plan to use. If you don't see the result you expected, there's another way. Rewrite your prompt with clearer details about the object's materials, colors, proportions, and style. Remove any conflicting descriptions, generate another version, compare multiple results, and use the available enhancement tools before exporting if needed. If generation seems unusually slow, wait for processing to finish before refreshing the page, since server demand can affect processing time. Once everything is set, you'll have a completed 3D model generated from your text prompt that you can preview, enhance, and export in formats such as GLB, FBX, OBJ, or STL for use in other applications. Following these simple steps makes creating a 3D model from a text prompt using Tripo AI quick and easy.